Kidz Kit. Hi kids, let's learn words starting with letter C. C. Cat. C is for cat. C. Car. C is for car. C. Cow. C is for cow. C. Cat. C is for cat. C. Crab. C is for crab. C. Clock. C is for clock. C. Cap. C is for cap. C. Carrot. C is for carrot. C. Candy. C is for candy. C. Cup. C is for cup. C. Camel. C is for camel. C. Camera. C is for camera. C. Candle. C is for candle. C. Cactus. C is for cactus. C. Coat. C is for coat. C. Cherry. C is for cherry. C. Castle. C is for castle. C. Cloud. C is for cloud. C. Corn. C is for corn. C. Circle. C is for circle. C. Cheese. C is for cheese. C. Chair. C is for chair. C. Crown. C is for crown. C. Colors. C is for colors. C. Crayons. C is for crayons. C. Clown. C is for clown. C. Carpet. C is for carpet. C. Cookies. C is for cookie.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.